Hello, friends. Hello. We are on our way to our home, which is Disney World. We haven't been since September, and this time we are staying for a full week. So I'm super excited, and I cannot wait. We didn't start this vlog series at home because we were too excited and we had to make sure we had everything. We had to triple check that we had all of our items that we needed for a week because we haven't been to Disney World for a full week in some years. But we had to also take care of our little pups and give them to Kyle's mom for the week and make sure that they were good. But we had to stop and use the restroom because we had to go. Sorry for the information, but then we are now going to get back on the road and probably stop for gas here in maybe an hour or so. And yeah, I'm pretty excited. Are you excited?
Oh yeah.
Pretty excited. He's tired, so
I'm ready.
but yeah, so we still have another maybe 10, well, a little under 10 hours to go, but we will get there. Stay tuned. Hello. Just doing a check-in. We are on our second stop for gas. So yeah. It's Kyle's turn to drive. I drove for 8 hours. I'm really tired. So I'm gonna get a little nap in before we get there. But we're almost there, you guys. 4 more hours. Well, a little over 4 more hours. Then we're there. We'll be home. I can't wait. I'm so excited. But yeah, just stay tuned, be patient, and we will be there. Hello, another check-in. It's about 5:30 in the morning, and we're about under an hour now, but we are trucking along. We're almost there, and I cannot wait. I'm so excited. Kyle's driving, and I don't want to blind him because I have our light on our phone so you can see me because it's very dark outside, and I don't want to blind him while he's driving. But he says hello. But yeah, we are almost there, and we'll show you once we get there the beautiful. Where's it again? I forget. Where's it?
Grand Testino.
Grand Testino, sorry. When we get there, so stay tuned. And we have arrived. Look at the new sign. It is absolutely beautiful. I love it. Ooh, that's so pretty. Ooh, I like. Yes, we're here. We're home. Yes.
In 0.1 miles, turn left.
Coronado Springs. Hello.
we will give you a full like resort tour later on because we're here for a week, so we have plenty of time. But it's so huge, so it's gonna take a little while to get through the whole building. So we're gonna do that kind of probably in a separate video of the full resort tour. But it's absolutely gorgeous in the lobby, and I am living for it. It's magnificent. So just checked in, and our room is already ready. So I'm living for that. I love when the room is ready when we first get here. Again, it's like 6:30 or so in the morning.
We got the 9th floor.
We got the 9th floor, so we're gonna have a great view. We're definitely gonna do a room tour for you guys. And yeah, because we go to Animal Kingdom today, and it doesn't open until about what? Animal Kingdom?
8 o'clock.
8 o'clock. So we have plenty of time. So we can go to room, unpack, settle down, give you guys a room tour, and then maybe nap a little bit, maybe. And then we'll be going to Animal Kingdom. I haven't been to Animal Kingdom in about 2 years, 3 years maybe. I don't know, something like that. But I'm pretty excited. Kyle's pretty excited. We're here, so stay tuned.
So this is our room tour, everyone. Hope you enjoy it. Alright, so we go in the room here. And then that door's for the connecting room. Alright. And then to the right, we got this glorious bathroom. Oh my gosh. You got a rainfall faucet here for the shower, and let's see. Oh, and you have like a little shower head too that can come off. That's nice. And even the drain, that's fancy. I've never seen one like that before.
You definitely gotta fall in. Looks like it goes somewhere.
Yeah. You lift it up and slide on down. And then you got the toilet and all that stuff. And some fancy dolly. She's a Mexican artist and all that. So her artwork is throughout the resort. It's pretty nice.
Yeah, I like this. I like those paintings. There she is in the picture. Can't see the woman right there.
Alrighty, now let's go to the main event here. The closets. Oh. Yeah, we had to unpack before we did this. Get everything organized.
You got your safe right there.
Yep. Oh yeah, that's
For,
very
like,
big. You can fit
Your
a lot.
wallets, keys, everything like that.
That fits.
And as soon as you open a closet, the light comes on, which is very fancy, and I love it. So you don't have to be in the dark.
Very nice. Okay. And then we got 2 beds here, and they gave us a Mickey towel right there.
Look how cute. Love it.
And the best thing about these headboards here, that if you want to read in the bed, boom. Bam. Yep, both sides.
On both sides. And it's bright too, so
Very.
you might want to ask whoever you're sharing a bed with, hey, I'm about to turn the light on.
Yeah. Let's see. And of course, we got a Bible in the drawer. Let's see. Yeah, a lot of drawer space here. And we got our suitcases under the beds because they're pretty high and everything, so you can fit pretty much everything down there.
Very spacious underneath. There.
Yep. And then we got drawers for our clothes here and all that. And then let's see. Here we got the fridge with our waters and drinks and all that. Let's see. And of course we got the Keurig, of course, for Garrett.
Yes, this is be my life for the next week.
Yeah.
And all the shelvings. You got all the stuff ready. And then just our little workstation here.
Ooh, wow, that's very bright.
Yeah, so they have this little table lamp. It's different.
Very
it's
modern.
Long. It's long this way, but it has a lot of outlets in it. So you have your 2 like power outlets right there that my iPad and Mac are plugged up to. And then you have 2 UPS cords right here that they can go into as well. And then this whole space here is just like a working desk, which I love because So real professional.
Oh yeah.
And then we have our TV.
We made it. We're on the TV.
You made it. Hello.
Very
Welcome.
And let's see, like this lamp here. Let's see.
I think we turned it on.
I don't know where.
Again.
Never mind.
Oh.
It's fine. Oh, very nice.
So this little area is like if you want
A little
to,
reading.
yeah, if you want to get up and,
Spin.
oh, it does spin. I didn't know it spin. Oh, that's gonna be much here. If you want to just sit and like read or catch up on
Pretty
some stuff
comfortable.
for Disney or anything like that, and have your morning tea, coffee, water, whatever you drink. This is where you would sit. But they also, so speaking of the outlets and stuff, they also have the same thing over here on this lamp, where you have like the 2 power cord outlets here, and then you have 2 UBSs right there. And yes, that is a fan, because I like to sleep with fans and noises, so don't mind me. But that is, again, a lot of power storage that you can have. And they also have like the wall outlet there, and then there's another one by the Keurig in case you want to go over there. And then there's also another outlet here, which is where our fragrance smell plug-in is, because we like everything to smell good. And I mean, it does smell great in here, but we just like the extra smell.
Alrighty. So we're on the 9th floor of this resort, okay? And here is the best part. Let's see. Oh, Jesus.
You guys, look at this view. Like, there's Mount Everest right there. You can see all the way in the distance. Oh, right there, if you can't tell, right there. And then zoom on over, and that view is just glorious, and I am living for it, because I am so excited that this time around we can actually enjoy the view and enjoy our room, because we are here for a week. But this is what we see. Nice little patio area here. I guess that little path is where you can run or do whatever, or walk.
Do a mile run or something like that. Because this whole resort is like the perimeter, same size as Magic Kingdom. So it's big.
No, that's huge.
It's big.
So if you want to get your little workout on, then by all means you can walk around.
Man.
Yeah, that's amazing. Okay, everyone. So that was a brief little room tour, and that was just a little bit of us traveling. This first video might not be that long. It's probably like maybe 15 minutes or so, maybe. It just depends. But again, we're kind of in a rush at the beginning just to kind of get everything together for this trip, because again, we're here for a week, and I didn't want to leave anything behind. And then we also had to take care of our pups. But they're good, they're great, and we made it safely, clearly. The drive wasn't too bad this time. It seemed like it went pretty fast, so yeah. But now we are going to freshen up a little bit, and we will be heading to Animal Kingdom, like I said. But for now, we're going to end this video here, and then we will see you at Animal Kingdom in our next one. See ya!